Hey there, I'm Bill Baker. I'm at the Motoring Club here in Marina del Rey, California.
And I'm Mike Perlman. I'm with Collecting Cars US, and we're based in West Hollywood, California.
We are here looking at my new purchase, this 1966 Jaguar XKE 2+2, bought via Collecting Cars.
Yeah, so this was a car that was sold on our platform. It has a really interesting story. It was a car that came out of a drug bust in the late 70s and was owned with one long-term ownership with an owner in Carlsbad, California. And it was a car that came up on our site. I knew that Bill wanted an XKE, and I sent it over to him, and 15 minutes before the end of the auction. And needless to say, he was pretty interested and bought the car.
The car has 32,000 original miles. It has original paint, original glass, original windshield wipers.
So what's cool about this is it's obviously a Series 1 car, and it's a pretty original car. It's kind of a driver, and actually to that point, it's had a big mechanical restoration to it. Total, I think, an engine rebuild, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of stuff that makes this a really driver-ready car, and that's exactly what Bill is using it for.
One of the things that he did was, the car was originally a 3-speed automatic, and they converted it to a 4-speed manual, which makes the car much more desirable, and it just has this amazing patina. So the Series 1 is considered, the most valuable. Number one, they have the covered headlights. That's one of the design cues that these Series 1s are known for. In the interior, they have the original toggle switches. Once again, very period correct and very desirable.
Yep.
And this is also the 2+2. So this is like the original shooting brake. So this is really like the first British hatchback, per se.
Yeah. Can you check it out in the back?
Yeah, let's check it out. And it's all leather clad inside. Spare tire underneath. And it has one of these fun details. So this is how you fold down and fold up the seats. I so wanted, when I first got it, I so wanted to fix the car up. But like historic homes and architectural properties, they're only original once. And so I've been showing this now, I've had it now for what, I'd say about 3 weeks or so. Yeah. In the 3 weeks, I've driven it more than what this family has averaged per year on this car. So I figured out they averaged 581 miles a year for the last 50 years on this car, and I've already blown through that in the first 3 weeks with the car. This car has turned out to be so much fun. It's a beautiful car, but more importantly, the car drives amazing. I'm so glad I got it. I'm so appreciative of Mike hooking me up with this thing. I'm a Porsche person, but now I'm a Jag person. I am so excited about this purchase.
Yeah, and if you're ever looking for a car like this or any other collectible car, be sure to check out collectingcars.com. We're 100% free to list, and we'd love to have your bids.
Buy and sell on Collecting Cars, and we'll see you on the next one.